Hi guys, in this video I'll go ahead and show you how to schedule an email from your Gmail. Scheduling email is done when you want your email to be sent according to your specific date and time. To schedule emails in Gmail, make sure to watch this video to the end. Open your Gmail account on your PC, click on the Compose button. Now, enter the receiver's email address. Enter the subject of the message and the content of your message. Now, to schedule your mail, you go ahead and click on this small arrow over here. You see schedule send. You click on it. Now, here you can set your time from here. You can also pick a specific date and time you want to schedule the send. Once you are done with the settings, you click on schedule send. Now your email will be scheduled in your Gmail. To find the scheduled mail, you click on this scheduled option. Now you can easily view all your scheduled email in Gmail. To delete it, you click on the mail and the delete icon at the right of the mail. You can also click the clock icon here. If you change your mind on the time, if you want to change the time, you can click the clock icon there. So that's it guys. You have easily scheduled an email in Gmail. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Bye and see you in the next video.